So one of the best time to buy a property is during festive period. Now, why do I say that? During festive period, a lot of companies will want to close their book. Yeah, it happens a lot. A lot of companies will want to close their book so that they can meet up with their sales target, or they can meet up with their target for the year. And that is why you see most properties, they want to reduce price. Most companies want to reduce price for their properties so as to make so as to make people subscribe to their property, so that they can close their book for the year. Now I bring you this wonderful project which we call Blossom Gardens Estate. Now the actual price for Blossom Gardens Estate is 15 million naira, but then we are selling this particular estate for just 10 million naira for the first 10 subscribers that will buy from us immediately. Now guess what? We are giving a physical allocation. We are going to do a physical allocation right here at Blossom Gardens Estate. As you can see, we've cleared our own section of Blossom Gardens Estate. We have a lot of plots here, but we've cleared our own section. So we are going to be bringing in perimeter fencing here. We've started laying the beacons. Now let me take you to the beacons so that you see it on ground. We already have beacons on ground for this particular estate. Now see the beacons. We already have beacons on ground for this particular. This is a beacon, and we have some stack of beacons over there also, that we will be fixing right here in this particular estate. So what you need to do now is to call Josh Consult, because this offer will not last for long. So if you want to key into the return on investment that you'll be having by next year, because I bet you that this particular project will be selling for 20-25 million by mid-year, by mid next year, 20-25 million, and can even sell above by the end of next year. So all you have to do is to make sure to buy a plot or more in this particular estate, so that you would enjoy the return on investment that it will be coming with. So I came here with some clients to check this property, and they are marveled with the amount of development they've seen so far. All you have to do is to call Josh Consult, the number on your screen, for inspection and booking. Thank you.